If you're an individual who is facing a divorce and you also happen to have a serious disability that is probably progressive, you might find that you know that you're going to need Medicaid either now or in the future because you're going to have very high medical costs. With a divorce, there can be several concerns. If you're trying to be eligible for Medicaid, you can only have a certain number of resources in your name. Tangible property is not a problem, owning a car is not a problem, but certainly retirement assets are going to create an issue if it's titled in your individual name. A special needs trust might be a very good option for you for a number of different reasons. One could be to hold assets that otherwise would be countable. Another reason is that alimony payments could be made directly to a special needs trust, and if that were to occur, then those alimony payments wouldn't be considered your income. If you decide to create a special needs trust as part of this divorce process, it will have to be what's known as a self-settled special needs trust. This is a trust that will hold your money and it will have a Medicaid payback provision. There's a few questions that people generally have when they're thinking about creating their own special needs trust. One is whether they can serve as their own trustee. You can't. If you're going to have a special needs trust, somebody else is going to have to be the trustee. Another question is whether you can name your own beneficiaries, your children as your beneficiaries. You can name children as beneficiaries, but only after a state has been reimbursed for Medicaid that's been paid on your behalf. So these self-settled special needs trusts all have Medicaid payback provisions.